Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the new mobile technology UP94, and I have a smartphone Itel A48 and I am bypassing it without PC, without MacBook and without any third party software. Here you can see the device does not have a power button. Okay, its power button is damaged. This device have a portable battery, removable battery, and I have switched off it, and I am booting the device in recovery mode. Okay, and I am inserting the battery in the device and press on the volume down button and power key for boot the device in recovery mode. Okay. Guys, here you can see the device has been booted in the recovery mode, and wipe data factory reset of this device. Okay, I am factory resetting the device. Fifth number, scroll the blue color line on the wipe data factory reset. Okay, by the volume down button. The touch screen will not work here in the recovery mode. Okay, the power button and volume up and down button will be work in the recovery mode. Select the wipe data factory reset and click on the wipe data factory reset from the power button and click on the reset device. Okay, erase all data. Scroll by volume down button. Okay, this device has been factory resetted and reset 2 times. Okay, reset 2 times. Click on the wipe data factory reset and erase all data. I have wiped data of this device 2 times because it is FRP locked. And click on the reboot system now and restart this device for setup. This device has 100% FRP lock. Here you can see it is locker icon and its touch screen does not work in this area. Here you can see the touch screen is not working here, and click on the vision settings, click on the magnification and turn on it. Okay, this will be zoom the screen on 3 tab. Here you can see it is working on the 3 tab. Okay, screen zoom in and zoom out and go back from the navigation button and click here 3 times. Click here 3 times on next. Click here 3 times and click on the next. Start and connect to a Wi-Fi network. Any Wi-Fi network and getting your phone ready. Checking update. Copy apps and data. Don't copy and you have here you can see it is FRP logged and your phone will not be set up from here, okay, because it is FRP locked. You cannot set up this device now because I have not the Gmail account and the password. So change the language of the device in Hindi. Next, here you can see this process. Next, don't copy, click here and click here on email or phone. Click here on Hindi and Bhasha setting. Add keyboard and click on English. Click on 3 dots, help and feedback, and search here. Type D in search bar and search it, and click here and share. Click on Google Go. Use without an account. Select the language, English language, and done. Click on done. Click on YouTube link. Here you can see the Chrome browser has opened. Here, no thanks, and go back from here on home page and search the VNROM website in the search bar. Search VNROM. Type VNROM and search. Click on the first link of the VNROM bypass. Click on the first link. Okay, it is loading and scroll down and click on the screen and set a pattern, PIN or password on the device. I am setting the PIN. I am setting the easy PIN. You can set other PIN. Okay, I have set the PIN. Set the new password and click on the done. Okay, set the easy PIN and click on done. Agree all permissions, and you can read this description and agree. Okay, and go back from here. Don't copy the data, and here you can see it is PIN. There was the pattern and I have changed the PIN. Okay, I have set the PIN and enter PIN and next. And escape email account. Don't share the email account. Escape. Accept Google services. Accept all services and enter the PIN one time. Re-enter the PIN. Okay, and do not set the fingerprint. Next, next, accept and agree. Your mobile has been FRP bypassed, and erase all data of this device. Go to in the setting from the notification center. The touch screen is not working. Go in the center setting. Go to setting. Change the language. Refresh. And here you can see about phone, Android version and kernel version, processor quality. Change the language. Here you can see change the language and go back and type reset. Reset options. Click on reset options and erase all data of this device and enter the pin. Okay, because this device will be re-FRP lock. Okay, and reset the device again, because if you will not reset this, the device can FRP lock again. Okay, here you can see bypassing data. And restarting the device. Click on the vision settings and magnification option, turn on it and go back, click 3 times and set up offline. Do not connect any Wi-Fi network. Set up without Wi-Fi. Accept Google services, accept, agree, and do not set the PIN, password or pattern. Skip the pattern. Okay, skip, agree, and continue. Here you can see your device has been FRP bypassed without PC, without MacBook, without any third-party software, without any third-party app. Here you can see the device do not have any password, any pattern, and any fingerprint lock. Here you can see the device does not have any FRP lock, and I will set this wallpaper on this device because it is my wallpaper. Okay, this device is running very smooth. Like this video and subscribe my channel for any other videos about FRP lock, how to FRP bypass any device, and comment me on the comment box for the new videos. I will meet you in the next video and take care. Okay, bye bye.